What's up, y'all? What's up, Fulmer? Back again with an unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it this time around. It is of C9 gear. So C9 had that one piece collab drop. I thought about not going with it because they weren't fully, what they showed wasn't like exactly what I wanted. But then I saw some stuff that it was, and I was like, let me capitalize on it before they get sold out. Some of them did get sold out, so I wanted to size smaller, see how that fits. But overall, got two stuff for my girlfriend and then two for me. So let's get to opening it. Shouldn't be too long of a video, hopefully. So this came in a regular box bag, FedEx bags, and then into another bag. So we're gonna take this off. So this one is for me. It's an extra large, and it's of Law Shambos. I thought it was such a cool one. I haven't really had that many Laws t-shirts. So that was a good one. The only one I think I have of Law really is Just Saying gear. Sleeveless hoodie. Next is yeah, I think this is another one for me. This is the one where I was gonna order it in an extra large or large. I'm not 100% sure. And man, the lighting is pretty off right now. I'm gonna put in the lights real quick. I just realized. There we go. That should be better. Hopefully, the light in the back might be messing it up though. But this is the button up. It's a medium, but I think it'd be a nice one to wear with one of the Just Saying gear underneath. I think it might be a bit too tight for me, to be honest, because it's a medium, and button ups are usually always tight around this area for me. From my chest to my shoulders. But we'll see how it is. The material of it is freaking nice as hell though. But it does seem like the button is a bit chaffa. Like I already tried to button and it's getting the stuff stuck on the button inside of the hole where you put the button in. It seemed like it was some thread was already getting stuck to it. But yeah, this is the button. Undid it. Has all the devil fruits on the back. I don't want to say all, but probably the popular ones. It's pretty much just covered with that. And the material is perfect. So if you could get this, they bring this back in stock in a bigger size, in your size, I recommend getting it, especially if you're a hardcore One Piece fan. Next are going to be the last two for my girlfriend. Let's see what they are. Let's see how they feel. So the one with Law did feel a little thicker than normal, but yeah. Ooh, they're seeing us in this one. Let's see how they did this one. Oh, the Chopper shirt. This one is a medium. Hopefully she fits fine in this one. Chopper. I know I want to be able to wear this one. But there's the Chopper Samurai with the pocket. And you pull the pocket down and it's like him fully in there. And then there's the back, which is just him in the pocket. Which I think is a pretty cool shirt. So I'll give that one to her today. Do probably put all these in there. And the last one, I want to say is Nami. Yeah, I can see the money logo. And we got Nami. I want to say this might be medium too. No, this one's a large. So got the money logo and then Nami on the back, like the Wano arc. So should be good. Should probably like these. So I'll put those into that blue bag they gave us, since that'd be a good one to give her. Like, show, you know? But let me put this one on real quick, so we can see, as you can see, how it would be on me. So, not too bad. I think lengthwise might be one of the issues. This is over another shirt, which I would be doing, right? So I would leave it unbuttoned though. Have my shirt kind of longer than it maybe. But actually not too bad. Medium is not too bad actually. I'm used to the other ones. Dang, I hate when it gets out of focus. I need a new camera, but yeah, we can button up though real quick, just so we can show it off fully buttoned. Because button was the only one I really worried about. Law extra large, that one's gonna be fine. But I think it's because maybe the material, like how soft it is, could be why it's not as bad. I think lengthwise is the only issue maybe, as you can see. Not even that bad either. Might be pretty solid medium. Just gotta find a nice undershirt here and then go wear this out, man. Definitely love how it feels. Like this is, like I said, if you could get this in your size, I highly recommend it. Maybe not if you're a Cloud9 fan, because the logo is right here, right? And up here. But One Piece fan in general, I feel like he should just get it just because it's a solid shirt. Might have the logo, but I like the C9 logo to begin with anyways. Kind of looks like could be like a fruit too. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Let me know what gear you all got from them in the comments down below, and we'll hopefully do another one of these Cloud9. We've done the Seal Jewels in the past, but we'll see what other collabs they have. I should do one for Team Liquid with those, but it's all good. Don't worry about it. Anyways, y'all, take care. Peace.